Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria. And my Latinx musing today is about the country of Paraguay. So, if you're not familiar with the country of Paraguay, it's actually a landlocked country in South America. It's in the middle of the continent, so it's often called the heart of South America. Its capital is Asunción, it's also its largest city. Now, the unique thing about the country is that its official languages are Spanish and Guarani. Now, if you're not familiar with what Guarani is, it's actually an indigenous language from the area that's actually been embraced by the country. More than 95% of the country speaks or understands the language, and it's actually mandatory to be taught in schools. And many people from Paraguay actually prefer to speak Guarani in Paraguay over Spanish. So it's such a unique aspect of the country when you know and learn the history and the dark history of colonization, of how the indigenous civilizations of the North, South, Central America, and the Caribbean have been pretty much destroyed and at the very least oppressed in these modern countries in regards to their traditions and cultures and languages. But things are changing. But Paraguay is unique because it's always embraced the indigenous language of Guarani, which is very unique. So if you ever come across somebody from Paraguay, they may understand, most likely understand Guarani. If you ever have a chance to visit, live, or work there, as part of this journey of cultural humility, you'll be learning Spanish and Guarani there as well. So, in regards to Millennial Loteria, I want to pick the card now, and so everyone, be ready to mark your boards with El Tinder. El Tinder, y'all. Where's the camera? So swipe left or swipe right for El Tinder, okay? But mark it on your board, y'all. Ciao.